Health experts want you to be aware of a disease whose symptoms present similar to COVID-19. Lyme disease cases tend to spike in the summertime, so I spoke with a local expert about what you need to look for.
They're quite small. You're looking at smaller than the pencil eraser.
Summer means ticks, and they are everywhere.
Pretty crafty. They'll make a home anywhere that they can.
Melanie Martin with Any Lab Tests Now in Greensboro says folks need to be careful while spending time outdoors. Some ticks in our area can carry Lyme disease, an infection that affects the brain and nervous system, muscles and joints, and the heart.
So what will happen is they can actually bite you, and they can transmit the Lyme disease that way.
And Martin says it's important to know its symptoms, especially this year.
Fever, chills, and that can kind of feel like you may be getting the flu, or can potentially have some other symptoms that related to COVID.
Lyme disease and coronavirus share 4 symptoms: fever, aches and pains, fatigue, and sore throat. But here's where they differ.
If you do have a different symptom, just like with the shortness of breath, that's not something that you're going to get with Lyme disease.
The CDC says shortness of breath and loss of taste and smell are particular to coronavirus, while a bullseye rash is particular to Lyme disease.
Just going to be a simple blood draw.
Martin says it's important for you to get tested for Lyme disease if you feel its symptoms coming on.
It can absolutely compromise your immune system very dangerously. It's very debilitating long term, especially if you don't get the antibiotics that you need to treat it at the onset.
She adds the best way to avoid the disease is to stay away from ticks. So here are some easy ways to avoid ticks. Cover your skin while outdoors. Treat your clothing and shoes with products designed to repel ticks. Do a tick check before heading indoors. Wash your clothes in hot water and dry your clothes in the dryer on a high heat setting, and shower within 2 hours of coming indoors.